Hello guys! Today we are going to design and make a custom sign. First we want to go in to create a new file. Then we want to set the width, the height, and the thickness. After that we are going to set our start point to the center of the project. Then hit OK.
Now we will go into the text icon and add our main text. We can then set the size of the text. Now we can center the text. Make sure to space the letters apart. You can do this by going into the text icon, then putting your mouse between the letters and clicking the left mouse button to move them closer together, or hold down the Shift key and click the left mouse button to move them farther apart. Then center again. Now repeat.
Now we can add a design.
Just insert a bitmap. Move it to where you want it. Now go into bitmap tracing and trace it. Then go into layers and uncheck the bitmap. Here we can go into the square and outline the project. Now we can offset that square. Just go into the offset option and select the direction to offset and how far you want it to offset. We can copy this design. Move it to where we want it. Then, flip the design. Go into Mirror Selected Objects, then flip the design. Let's make some decorative rectangles. Switch over to start making our toolpaths. We will select all of the bigger letters to start with. Go into VCarve. We will do a flat depth so that we do not cut through the wood. Select your bit here. Now we can preview what this toolpath will do. Do the same for the smaller design, but you will not need a flat depth. Now we will do the same thing for the outline, but we will do a profiled toolpath and just set the depth. Pick where you want the bit to cut. On the outside of the line. On the inside of the line. Or on the line. Here we can add color so we can see what it will look like when we are done. Almost forgot to rotate the sign. We have to do this because it is going to feed through our machine from top to bottom. I only have to do this because it is a long sign that is too big to do in one cut. Set the tile toolpath. Pick the size of each section. You can now save the G-code into a file.